This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll show you what the empirical rule is. The empirical rule is also known as the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. In order to understand what this rule is, you need to know what a standard deviation is. If you're not familiar with standard deviations, you can watch the previous video. The rule is pretty simple. The 68 refers to 68%. And that is the amount of data you'll find on a normal distribution between one standard deviation either side of the mean. 68% of the data will fall in this area. So this purple area here also corresponds to 68% of the area underneath the curve. Going across to two standard deviations either side of the mean. So if you take this entire area, 95% of data will be between two standard deviations either side of the mean. And finally, three standard deviations either side of the mean. That encompasses 99.7% of data. So you can see that something occurring 4 standard deviations from the mean or 5 standard deviations or anything higher than this is going to be extremely unlikely because the bulk of the data is going to fall between 3 standard deviations. Just a final note, the empirical rule can only be applied to normal distributions. If you have another shape, for example, if you have a left skewed distribution, it will look something like this, you cannot use the empirical rule. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles on everything elementary statistics.